So here we are. Hi Vishwanath.
हेलो 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 आ, कुछ नहीं, अभी ड्यूटी से आ रहा हूँ.
Your net was not working.
इज इट वर्किंग ना?
Yes, we
नेट
are
काम
able
कर
to
रहा है.
see you. Yes,
ओके.
Now 11 viewers are there, so we'll start the session, right? So
यस यस, स्टार्ट द सेशन.
yes, welcome to all of you. And today we are going to talk about the experience of this Corona warriors and a few things about the Corona. So let's start. So all of you, let me introduce Dr. Vishwanath. About Dr.
हेलो
Vishwanath, he
हेलो
is intensivist at Shalby Hospital, Ahmedabad, and he is from South India, and he has came all the way to Gujarat to work here. And you know me, I am Dr. Chintan Patel. I am working at Shalby Hospital, Ahmedabad, as orthopedic surgeon. So we'll start the session now. So Vishwanath, how was the experience of your test coming positive for Corona?
Actually, the patient I came in contact with, he had no symptoms at all. So he came with
Okay,
the complaint of some paralysis. So actually, we did not expect that he would be COVID positive. And
so patient
during
was asymptomatic, right?
asymptomatic, completely asymptomatic. So
Okay,
at that time, the hospital policy was that they will do testing for all the patients who are getting admitted. So
okay.
it came positive without any
On
symptoms at
random
all.
testing, he came
Random
positive,
testing,
right?
it came positive,
Yeah,
and I
yeah.
was because
Okay,
I was on duty and I was quarantined for 14 days after that.
okay, okay.
And after 14 days, I developed sudden loss of taste and some loss of smell.
After 14
So
days.
yes, so no,
Okay,
I had no other symptoms. So due to
okay,
that, I was tested to confirm it, and I came positive. And after that, I was in quarantine for 17 days.
okay.
17.
So for 17 days you were in home and you did not go anywhere.
No, I was kept in a hospital in a
Okay.
Vijay Shell hospital, a branch of ours.
No. Initial
Initial 14 days
17
I was
days.
home quarantine. I was home
Yeah,
quarantine.
yeah. Home quarantine. Before you
Yes,
got tested, you were home quarantine, right?
yes, yes, yes,
So
yes.
yes. So how was that time period?
So because
It was
14
frustrating,
days,
right?
it was very, very frustrating. 14 days coming, not coming outside a single room. It was really, really, very frustrating, and
Okay,
psychologically it disturbs a lot because
okay.
so we don't meet people for 14 days is a very big thing. Very big thing.
Very big thing. Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
And after that, you came to the hospital and
Hospital, I
you
came to join the
met.
duty, but I had symptoms of
Yeah,
this
yeah,
loss
yeah.
of smell and taste.
Yes, and
So
we also met and we celebrated Aditi's birthday
the
also.
Aditi's birthday party.
Yes. And because we all thought that you don't have any symptoms, so you
Because
are
I was
also
completely
normal. Yes.
asymptomatic. And at that time,
Okay.
nobody expected that loss of taste and loss of smell was any symptom of any corona. Because only the main symptoms
Okay.
that they were concentrating on were fever, cough, cold, any breathlessness. So my X-ray was also completely clear. I had no patch at all, any pneumonic patch,
Okay.
nothing. Completely normal. My
So
X-ray was.
only loss of taste and loss of smell.
Loss of
You
smell I had.
even ordered multiple food from Zomato and everything, but you did not have taste, right? And
Yes.
and you filed complaint against them that their food doesn't have any taste.
Yes. I
Okay,
complained that
so
there was no taste. I thought they sent me. I gave
you
rating
thought
1
that
in the
they have
Zomato.
not put salt
After that,
in
I
the
came to know that
food.
I was not having the taste sensation.
Yeah. Okay, so that experience is horrible. That you don't have any taste and smell. You don't feel your food, whatever you are eating. So that's
Yeah.
bad. And after that, how was the experience for this taste? Was it so horrible?
You don't find any difference between spicy and salty. Everything is
No,
same.
no. About the
Yes,
taste.
Dhruv,
How was the taste?
Dr. Dhruv is commented, yes, I have ordered biryani and I did not feel any taste of the biryani at all. And I thought I
Okay,
gave
yes.
one rating for that biryani, complaining after that
Okay.
I was not having taste.
Okay, so you did not have taste and you ordered biryani and you gave one rating for that
One
biryani
rating
because you
because
did
I had
not
no
have
taste.
any
I
taste.
thought that they
Okay,
made it very bad, terrible.
okay. So it was not their mistake, but your taste was lost.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So how was the COVID taste?
COVID,
How did you get
the
the
guy who
taste
came
and
to
how was the
the guy
experience?
came to test me and he was wearing all that PP kit and all. I told him, भाई मेरे को कुछ है नहीं, तो इतना घबरा मत.
So you were scared of him.
No, he was scared of me. मैंने बोला मेरे भाई मेरे को कुछ है नहीं, इतना क्यों पहन के आया है? तो ये
Okay.
सिर्फ रूटीन बेसिस कर रहा है, तो उसके बाद पता चल गया थी.
So अच्छा है ना उसने पहना था.
Yes, many asymptomatic people are roaming outside without any
Yes,
symptoms.
that's what.
It is now
So-
it has become. This is the most common presentation of
Yes,
corona now.
yes.
Completely asymptomatic.
So, आज का ये सेशन का मतलब ही ये है कि हमको बताना है कि कैसे मतलब ये स्प्रेड हो सकता है. हमको कुछ पता ही नहीं रहेगा कि कौन से सिम्टम्स रहेंगे कि नहीं रहेंगे और कोरोना हमारे जरिए फैल सकता है सब लोगों को. सो आप ड्यूटी ज्वाइन करने वाले थे उसके पहले आपने टेस्ट करवा लिया, वरना टेस्ट नहीं करवाते थे तो काफी पेशेंट्स को आपकी वजह से हो
काफी
सकता था.
पेशेंट को
और
मैं एक्सपोज करता था. Yes,
हाँ, और आपको वो चीज पता ही नहीं रहता था आप अगर टेस्ट नहीं करवाते थे तो.
yes.
और काफी पेशेंट्स
See,
एल्डरली भी होते हैं.
even in sinusitis we will have loss of smell and taste sometimes.
या एग्जैक्टली. और हमारे पेशेंट्स एल्डरली रहते हैं, आईसीयू में रहते हैं, तो उनको तो और मतलब डिफिकल्टी रहता था अगर
Because I am immunocompetent, I am younger age,
and they are
so that's why I was not
immunocompromised.
affected much.
Yes. So after that period of quarantine, you were taken to the another Shelby Hospital at Vijay Char Rasta.
Yes.
So how was the experience there?
So there, I was kept in a room. I had nowhere to go.
Like locked
Like
in
a
one
jail.
room.
It was something like a jail. They used
Like
to throw the food.
काला पानी का जेल.
हाँ ऐसा ही. No, उतना खराब नहीं था. AC room तो दिया था at least. तो at least I was just given the food. So
You needed
was,
any ventilator or something?
no. I was completely fine. My X-ray was completely normal. So I
But
need
you were
not.
scared that you might need a ventilator.
But I was scared because of some other. I was not alone. Many other patients
Okay.
were there. So many of
Yes,
them had
like-
breathlessness, may fever. So maybe I
Okay.
thought I may worsen. My conditions may worsen. So,
Okay,
but
because
luckily,
all other
luckily
were
quickly
getting
got on.
worsened, right?
Yes.
बाकी लोगों का वर्ष हो रहा था डे बाय डे, बट तुम्हारा
Yeah, they
नहीं
were
हुआ.
getting worse, and some of them are getting. They were having temperatures of 103 continuously for many days.
Yeah, but
So
you
that
did not
was
have
very-
any spikes
very
of
high.
Fever. Yeah, you did not have any
Yeah.
spikes.
Yeah.
So you were completely locked down in this one room, and how
Yes,
was
in
the
this one room, I
how-
did not come outside one room for 17 days.
okay,
17
and
days.
how did you manage about food and everything?
Food, they were providing
They were
the
giving-
food, but initial 10 days, I did not feel any taste of the food they were providing me.
Okay.
So I
So you
मतलब
scolded
खाने का
them
इच्छा
also?
नहीं हो रहा था मेरे को. बिल्कुल
नहीं,
खाने का
तुमने
इच्छा
उनको भी डांटा?
नहीं,
उनको
इनको
भी
नहीं
डांटा
डाटा.
कि नहीं डांटा?
नहीं डाटा because this time I know that I have loss of taste. That's why. For 10
नहीं, सही
days,
है.
for 10 days it was terrible because खाना का इच्छा नहीं होता था.
So you were having this hot water and ukadu and everything?
Yes,
There?
they were giving me hot water, lemon water, and they
Okay.
वो सब था मेरे को.
Okay. About hygiene and everything was maintained, right? There?
Yes, it was all maintained.
So what about this nursing staff, Shivraj brother, that got infected?
Yes,
You can tell how the negligence
there was a
happened
mistake from
with
the
him.
government of Gujarat that happened. Actually,
Yes, what happened?
हमारा nursing staff, the who came with the contact with the same patient which I came in
Okay.
contact with. So actually,
You can
we
say
were
in
told
Hindi. It's fine. Yes.
actually we were in the same department. Actually, we were told to be but we were told to go into quarantine for 14 days.
Okay.
But he was never tested corona. उसका नाम कैसे आ गया पता नहीं. लिस्ट में उसका नाम आ
उसने
गया
भी
था.
सेम पेशेंट को
Yes.
टच किया था तेरे साथ ही,
Yes,
और
yes,
वो होम
but
क्वारंटाइन था.
हाँ, इसका कभी टेस्टिंग किया ही नहीं, बट उसका टेस्ट पॉजिटिव लिस्ट में आ गया था, मतलब उसका नाम.
अच्छा, गवर्नमेंट को लगा वो पॉजिटिव है,
गवर्नमेंट लोग उसको उठाने के लिए आया था. तो वो
लेकिन
तो
वो
बोल रहा
ऐसे
है
कैसे
मेरे को
उठा
टेस्ट,
सकता है?
या मतलब वो मतलब बोल रहा है कि मेरे को टेस्ट कभी हुआ नहीं, तो वो नहीं सुन रहा था. तो जबरदस्ती में पुलिस को लेके उठा के चला गया. और उसको
वो बोल
जिस
रहा है,
बंदे
झूठ
को
बोल
कभी
रहा है.
टेस्टिंग हुआ नहीं, हाँ कभी टेस्टिंग हुआ नहीं, इसको जो वार्ड है उसमें 100 पेशेंट्स कोरोना पॉजिटिव पेशेंट्स वो वार्ड में डाल दिया इसको.
अच्छा, उसके बाद उसका हालत क्या हुआ?
हालात ही वॉज कंप्लीटली स्कैर्ड, ही वॉज शिट, मतलब शिटिंग हिज पैंट्स, क्योंकि सब पेशेंट्स, ऑलमोस्ट 100 पेशेंट्स इन द सेम फ्लोर वर कोरोना पॉजिटिव, उसके साथ इसको डाल दिया.
So very bad.
Our
it was.
hospital we fought with the government officials that he was never tested for this corona, and after that they released him. But because he was in a ward of corona patients,
Of
he had to
course,
get
this
kept
was-
under quarantine. Later,
Yes, yes.
later he developed the
Gross
symptoms of
negligence.
fever and breathlessness.
So he was
negligence
positive,
by the
right?
government of Gujarat.
He was positive after that.
Yes, sir, he came positive later.
So he did not have any symptoms. He was corona negative, and because of the negligence of the government
Negligence of the
वाले
government, he was put
उसके
under.
घर आके उसको उठा के लेके गए
उठा लिया.
अल्टीमेटली,
Yes, yes.
और उसको
Ultimately.
कोरोना वार्ड में डाल दिया कि
डाल दिया.
तुम कोरोना पॉजिटिव है.
Positive है सब.
But I wonder one thing, why he did not ask for the report? Where is my report? You show me. He could have told the government officials that.
They were not answering him properly. वो सोच रहा था कि he is lying. He was lying.
अच्छा.
So, but
Okay.
उसको डाल दिया था. It was completely negligence by the government of Gujarat.
So he was there in corona ward for 1.5 days, right?
1.5 days he was there.
And after that, Shelby officials they contacted
Requested and
government.
fought with the government. Then
Yes,
they
yes.
realized that it was their mistake.
Okay.
Then
And then they released him.
Yes. Then
But
they
after
released
that, after that incident, we have kept the brother in this hospital.
hospital in a quarantine.
Yes. In
Later he
quarantine,
developed
but he
symptoms,
started
fever,
having.
breathlessness and all.
Yeah.
And he developed
Okay.
even pneumonia. Later on,
Okay.
he got treated for it, and he responded well to the treatment, and he was discharged.
Okay. So he was lucky that he
Lucky that
responded
did not
to the
worsen because
treatment.
he is also young,
Yeah.
28 years.
Of course. But still, you never know. Young people
No,
are
you
also
never know.
dying.
Yes.
So,
yes.
because of one negligence, one simple negligence, it could happen
He would have passed his life.
yes, the situation could worsen. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, how was your experience overall? You missed your family?
Yes, pretty much. I wanted to go back to my family a lot, and because it was a terrible situation because I was not getting the basic amenities properly in the first 14 days of
Okay.
quarantine. Because see,
Like what-
everybody
what
who
you
are
wanted?
who are in Gujarat, they are with their families, and they are at least getting the basic amenities like food. So I was not even
Yeah,
getting that
of
properly, and I was really
Yes, yes.
I slept hungry because I was not
Okay, but maybe.
satisfied
But maybe
with
the
that
food was tasty, but you were not having any taste.
I was not able to eat. That was also the reason for many days.
Yeah. So
And let us talk about Corona. Let us talk about Corona and all. What are the symptoms and what are the precautions to be taken?
yes,
And what is the
you
current
tell me.
treatment that is going on?
Yes. So
Now, how
you
can
tell
you?
me how can we
I'll say
diagnose the
how
corona?
corona. See, the patients of corona generally they present with symptoms like fever, cough,
Okay.
breathlessness, and
Yes, yes.
sore throat, and
Okay.
some
Loss of
even
taste,
some
loss of
loss of
smell,
taste. These are the new symptoms that have been
new
developed.
symptoms. Yeah.
Earlier,
Diarrhea
only the
also.
symptoms were diarrhea. Some of them even have diarrhea, and
Okay.
some people have loss of taste, smell, and many people are asymptomatic, no symptoms at all.
Yes.
So that is the
So
major portion that is
they
present.
are the main carriers of the corona, and
Carriers,
they
they
can
are
spread
carrying them silently without knowing it.
into the community. Yes.
Community. Yes.
Yes. They are innocent, but they don't know that they are
They
carrying
don't
the
know that they
corona,
have
and they
corona.
are giving it to the others. Mostly
Hmm.
their family members are getting the corona from them.
Yes, yes, yes.
And because they are young, they will not have any symptoms, but their family members,
They
mother
may
and
be rich
father,
to the elder
they will
people.
have,
Yes. Yes.
they will have the worst symptoms.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so you think whoever feels some of these symptoms should get tested as early as possible?
Yes, it is. Now, at present, the government guidelines have been changed because
Okay.
I think the community spread has started. So most
Yes,
of the
yes.
symptoms, most of the people are coming positive. So that is why the
Okay.
government does advise that those who have just asymptomatic or
Okay.
those who have mild symptoms, they can self quarantine themselves at homes for 14 days.
Yes. Self quarantine.
And
Yes.
self quarantine without coming in contact with anybody in the community or with the family members. And
Okay.
those
So
people
that is better.
who have worsening symptoms, they
Okay.
are required to go for testing and to go to the hospitals.
Treatment. Yes.
Treatment.
Yes. Because what treatment they give in the hospital? What they gave you to the hospital?
It is a completely new virus. So
Okay.
coronavirus is
So
completely new virus.
they are
It is a
giving only oral treatment only.
symptomatic treatment. Symptomatic
Okay.
treatment. See,
Okay.
until now, it is an animal virus, basically.
Okay.
So
Yes.
I don't know how it spread to humans. Basically, they're saying that it has spread to some experiments in the Wuhan, or they are
Okay.
eating some bats. So maybe
Yes.
whatever the reason, I don't know how it spread, but it was basically an animal virus. So
Okay.
it is a completely
are-
new virus, and it is giving the
Yes.
picture of similar to viral pneumonia caused by this SARS, swine flu.
Okay.
Similar picture it is giving.
Similar picture. Yes.
Similar picture.
So
And
we are experimenting.
Yes. So mostly in viral pneumonias, we need not do anything much. We have to just give symptomatic to support the system, hydrate it,
Okay.
and whatever
Yeah.
Symptomatic, we have to treat them.
So
that is
basically
what
we
the
are giving the
same-
antibiotics,
No, there is no
hydroxychloroquine
antibiotics and all in
for pneumonia.
COVID. For pneumonia, no. In viral pneumonia, you don't have any role
No.
of these antibiotics and all. So basically, you
Secondary
hydrate the
infections, if
body.
they are there, we have to give, right?
Yes, yes. And sometimes
And,
patients come with, even you might have bacterial infections. So
yes.
together, then maybe we have to. Then the picture will be visible in the cell counts. Then based on that, we have to treat them.
They give this hydroxychloroquine and azithromycin in combination.
Azithromycin, yes, azithromycin is being given not to treat corona. Basically, if you are thinking it's wrong, it is just
Yes.
to treat the concomitant infection, bacterial infection.
Concomitant infection, yes.
Infections, because sometimes this corona
Yes,
is causing in your sometimes it will cause the concomitant bacterial infections. Only to
Yes.
that they are giving these
But
azithromycin.
these all are experimental treatments
Experiments,
only,
just
because we
experiments. There
don't
is no proved.
know what exactly is the virus
yes.
and what exactly we have to give. So we are giving symptomatic and these experimental treatments. We are
Yes,
also giving
yes.
this lim C, vitamin C, and people who are breathless, we are giving oxygen. That is main treatment, right?
Oxygen. And if they worsen, we are putting on mechanical ventilation.
Ventilator. Okay.
Mechanical ventilation. And this hydroxychloroquine, it has there are some research and which
Okay.
shows hydroxychloroquine is being effective in reducing the corona effect but these
Yes,
are
yes.
all nothing proved. No, there is no proved
Nothing is proved.
research.
Yes,
Nothing is
because
proved.
no
Just
long-term studies
experimenting
are
it.
there. Yes.
And recently, WHO has stopped, advised to stop hydroxychloroquine also,
Yes,
because
but Indian government is still advising.
advising. But WHO recently advised because it has a lot of effects on the ECG. Matlab you can see the arrhythmias you can
Yes,
develop
yes.
on
Yes,
the heart,
yes,
even
yes.
on the lung. And recently they have done the autopsies of many COVID patients, and they have seen that those taking hydroxychloroquine are dying earlier than those who are not taking hydroxychloroquine.
Okay, so
So
you
that
had
is what that is
taken
why.
hydroxychloroquine?
Yes, I have taken hydroxychloroquine.
So you think you will die earlier?
No, because I am completely fine now. It will cause QT prolongation, and QT
Yes, yes.
prolongation will in the ECG, and it will cause arrhythmias like ventricular fibrillation, tachycardias, and torsade de pointes. Like that, it will
Okay.
cause.
So tell me about your welcome at the society when you came back
And
from the hospital.
actually I was very scared that whether they will allow me or not. I have to say where should I
So
stay,
yeah,
because I have
you
no
were
home.
thinking where you will stay, right?
Then if nobody allowed, then I have to stay on road. Something like that I was
Of
thinking.
course.
But,
No, why road? You can
but,
come to my house any day.
yeah, and don't forget that you also told me to stay in the balcony. Okay. So,
That was a joke only.
someone is.
So
I want to ask a question, Drashu.
yes, yes. Hi Drashti, what question you have? I think we'll answer the questions after the session. That will be better. So we can
So I
discuss
was
right now.
welcomed by my apartment community people with a warm welcome, and
Okay.
they congratulated me, and they were for being because nobody in our community, in this community which I'm staying, tested positive.
Yeah,
And
they were totally terrified from you, right?
initially they were terrified, and
Yes.
later they welcomed me with very much love and warmth, and they
Okay.
congratulated me.
You gave a speech
So
to
someone is
them.
asking for
What
a
is
party for
Corona?
being negative. Yes,
Oh,
Dhruv,
so
next time we meet, definitely we'll have a party.
yeah.
Then they congratulated me, and even I tried to educate them about not to panic much about the corona, and
Okay.
I don't just told them it's fine, completely fine, and I just told that the elderly people should be little protective,
Okay.
because most of the elderly people, I think, may hypertension, diabetes, and these are all the risk factors. Hypertension, diabetes,
काफी सोसाइटीज में लोग मतलब हेल्थ वर्कर्स को एंटर ही नहीं करने देते, मतलब वो
Yes.
लोग ऐसे घर से निकाल रहे, नर्सिंग स्टाफ
Yes,
कोई
yes.
है तो उनको घर से निकाल रहे बोल के कि आप लोग हॉस्पिटल से आ
Yes,
रहे
yes. And
हमको
and
ऐसा
recently
फील नहीं कि करवाया वो लोग ने, तो वो बेटर है, आपको
they are not
वेलकम किया वो
understanding that we
अच्छा
are
है.
working for them, and they want to.
Of course.
They don't want to
You're-
stay us in their communities.
You are staying away from your family, you are risking your life for them to treat them, and they are not being cooperative with you only, and that is very bad.
Yes.
So you
And
cut the cake in
yes,
hospital
that
also.
was my junior, Dr. Aditi has done that for me, and in hospital also I
Okay.
got a good welcome.
Okay, so you were so happy
Yes.
seeing so much crowd
Yes,
and
because I
people
never
around you.
expected that anybody would care much. But yes, it was good, warm welcome I got, and it was fine. It
Okay.
was after that isolation, I felt little good. It was good.
Oh,
And
okay.
yes. So these
So
are the
what all
symptoms.
precautions?
See, not symptoms. I'm telling you the precautions to be taken, everybody.
Yeah,
Just wash
precautions.
your hands every day as much as possible.
Yes.
For 30 seconds, 5 steps of washing are there.
Okay. What are the 5 steps? You show me, Vishwanath.
Actually, I am
Everybody
holding my
will see.
phone. I am holding my phone.
You can wash hand with one hand.
No, it's difficult.
There is no stand or something. You can see. Yes, we are able to see it. Don't worry.
Okay, these are the 5 steps I'm showing you.
Okay.
So you have to first rub your palms,
Palms. Yes.
then
Yes.
back of the hands,
Back of the hands. Yes.
yes, back of the hands.
Then
Then-
knuckles.
These are second steps. Then between the fingers. See, in OT surgeries they will be complicated, but these are simple steps. For
Yeah.
the layman, this is better. So this
Yeah,
is
yeah.
between the fingers. This is the third step.
Okay.
And the tip of the fingers you have to wash,
Okay.
and thumb.
Dhruv is saying take water first.
Yes. These are the 5
This
steps.
is air washing.
this you have
This is
to
air washing.
Hand washing.
We have
So-
invented new things.
20 seconds. This is enough. 20 seconds. This
For
washing
20
is enough.
seconds they have to wash. Yes.
Wash.
But
It is
frequent
better to
washing.
wash as much as possible, and
Yeah,
don't
frequently.
touch anything unnecessarily outside.
Yeah. You should not touch.
Yes, you should not touch.
Yeah.
So you
And-
should not touch unnecessarily, and try to avoid going outside as much as possible, unless until you
Yeah.
have anything, you have any duty or something you are going on emergency or groceries, something like that. Still, I know that lockdown
Okay.
has been opened slowly, but even though it has been opened, try to avoid going out as much as possible. Behave as if you are still in the lockdown 1 only, because
Yeah, exactly.
because
Many people
we
are
have
roaming around. I can see that.
yes, try
You
to
can see
avoid
the
that as
traffic on
much
the
as
roads.
possible. Yes.
Yeah. People are
And,
going to the malls, D-marts, and they are enjoying shopping. But that is a very risky situation. They are not understanding it.
And
So people
yes,
who are going to the malls, they should carry their own bags and get all the stuff in their own bag. After going home, they should wash their hand first, and after that they should wash all the items and sterilize them before using them. Okay, so that is the precaution everyone should take, and they should also use these gloves and N95 mask if possible, the one Vishwanath is wearing.
Yes, this is
That
N95
is
mask
most important.
And
Okay.
many people I have seen
And-
wearing this cloth mask, handkerchief. Some are just
That
wearing
is,
sari they are putting around. And I
Yeah,
think why
that
these
is
people are
of no
putting
use.
saris, I don't think then these pharmacy people are stupid people just producing these N95 masks. The sari or
Yeah.
kerchief is enough. Then that is fine. And to tell you
Handkerchief,
this cloth
sari,
masks and
whatever
all,
they have.
yeah. They have 0% capacity to block the virus.
Yeah,
Only
of course.
95 mask has 95%, 94 to 95% capacity to stop the virus. All these cloth
Yeah.
masks, they are useless.
Yeah, they are
And I
giving
know
just
that this
good appearance.
at present in the current scenario in the markets, these N95
Okay.
masks cost 300 rupees to 250 to 300
Yeah.
rupees. And
Yeah,
everybody
it's
cannot.
available now. Yeah,
It is available, but everybody, these
Yeah.
are disposable
cannot
ones.
afford. Yeah.
Everybody cannot buy them every day because 250 spending a day is
Yeah.
too much. So that
Yeah.
is why AIMS New Delhi has given a certain
Guidelines. Okay.
That
So what is that?
5 masks.
Okay. 5 masks.
And-
Okay.
You wear the first mask, and again you wear this mask on 6th day.
Okay.
Second
So one
mask
by one you
wear
can
it
wear.
on 7th day.
Okay.
Third
One
mask
by
you
one.
wear on 8th day. So this is how you
Okay.
recycle the masks.
Okay.
This is
So
how
you
you
don't have to
recycle the
wash
mask.
or something, right?
No need to wash. Just store them. You write 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4, 5. The first mask on
Okay.
6th day, second mask on 7th
Okay.
day, and the third mask. Like that, you
Okay.
recycle these 5 masks.
Mm-hmm.
So that is
And
enough. That
one
is
more
enough.
thing. One more thing. People should prefer home deliveries rather than going out and risking
Yes,
their lives.
yes. And sometimes
Nowadays, everyone is delivering, and you can get that stuff at home without any risk. You can sterilize and use it directly, or after a day or so. So that is a better option.
Yes.
Yeah, and you should, if you can you should use 4-wheelers rather than 2-wheelers, so you will be protected more. And mask, N95 mask is a must for now, so you should use that. And so this is all about prevention. Prevention is better than cure. And
Yes.
yeah, we should
And
also we should
I
also
want to add
be
another point.
helpful. Yeah.
Yes.
Bol.
See, this corona, see, everybody are panicked, but I am going to tell you that corona is gonna stay with us for a very long time.
Yeah.
Very long time it is gonna stay with us.
Very long time.
Very long
For
time.
years?
I can't expect that, but maybe. But
Okay.
it is going to become a part and parcel of our society, something like that.
Yeah,
so
that's
these
what.
precautions, whatever hand washing and all, should be taken seriously and should be followed.
Seriously.
And
Yes,
these
exactly.
these techniques are not only for reducing infection like corona. For any infection. These are applicable. These
Okay.
these are applicable. And so don't get panicked. So elderly stay at home and
Yeah.
get protected. Youngerly, though you are roaming outside, take the precautions and roam.
Yes,
And
exactly.
try not going outside as much as possible.
Of course. Even I
And
was,
eat-
yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Eat
Even I
healthy food,
was
nutritious food.
home quarantine for 14 days. Yeah, healthy food is a must. And whenever if you are home quarantine, you should keep distance from your loved ones. You should keep distance from your family and mother, father, so that they cannot get any infection from you. You should wash your clothes or utensils separately so that they will not get infected. Even I did the same while I was home quarantine for 14 days, and I missed human touch during those days. Even I missed good food and everything, but yeah, luckily I was at home and in my room, so that was not bothering much. But yeah, I missed going out, and I took this hydroxychloroquine and Limsi both as a preventive measure. And so, Vishwanath, you think we should help the poor who are living on daily wages?
Yes, those people must be helped because of this lockdown. They have been affected a lot. And I think many Bollywood actors now, Sonu Sood, they are helping these migrant workers to reach their homes safe. At least we can help the poor people who are living around our buildings to provide some food, because they are affected much by this lockdown.
This is an appeal to everyone. You should help the needy, whosoever you know, and मतलब आप जितना भी कर सकते हैं वो कर उनको हेल्प करना चाहिए ताकि उनका फैमिली यस उनका फैमिलीज कोरोना के टाइम में मतलब अफेक्ट ना हो और उनको एटलीस्ट खाना पीना जो रोजिंदा चीजें वो तो मतलब मिल सकती है. तो it is an appeal to everyone, and you should not discriminate with the doctors or nursing staff or anybody who is living in your society, because they are the true corona warriors and they are the real heroes. So you should be respectful to them as well. Okay. So
those working with at COVID centers, they are leaving their families. They are working in PPE. That is so hot.
Yeah.
That every time you remove the PPE kit, your whole dress is drenched with your own sweat.
Yeah. Vishwanath is going for the duty after this session.
Yes, I'm going. I have to go. I have a COVID duty.
Yeah, and for 12 hours he will be wearing this PPE kit. And yeah, it is so frustrating to wear that kit every day and for long duty hours. You cannot like breathe inside, but it is a horrible experience.
We are working with such difficulties, and so the public also should cooperate with the doctors who are working at such COVID centers.
Okay. And one more thing, we should boycott China, right? Because China gave this virus to the world, and world is in misery because of this Chinese virus. and so we should start
I think
using
the American
Make
president
in
has
India
called it right
products.
as calling it Chinese virus.
Yes. Okay. So we should start using Make in India products only, and to our country people as well. So boycott China. That is also appeal. So this was all about Corona and our experience about the Corona. So now, if any question is there,
If you
Drashti
have any
was
questions,
asking
you
a
can ask
question.
us. Yes.
Yes,
Any regarding Corona, anybody has any doubts or any,
you can
ask
read the
us.
messages, Vishwanath. If you can see any questions, you can answer.
Yes, if any question is there, we will see.
Dhruv is asking for the party in the question. When you are giving
When
party.
we meet, I think we will have the party.
But where you will celebrate? I wonder that.
Nah, but I don't do. It's not better not to do parties until for another 6 months due to this COVID.
Yes.
And
Yes.
so,
If you are Corona negative, then you will turn Corona positive because of one party.
yes. Recently, there was some people who had party in a pub, and I think 25 were positive among those people.
Yes.
So, if parties and all, it is better to avoid for another 6 months.
Yes, of course. So, if
So,
anybody
I think
has
nobody has any doubts.
question, steam is effective. Someone is asking. Arpita,
yes.
hi.
Yes, steam is effective.
Steam is
yes.
effective in in
Because-
treatment. Yes, Vishwanath.
Yes, you can take steam because it is used in upper respiratory tract infections. So
Yes.
taking hot water and taking steam is effective. Yes, it is effective.
Yes. You can use this steam. That is better. You can breathe well with this steam.
Yeah. Any other
Okay,
questions?
so
No, I think
we'll end this session. Yes. Okay, so you can go and join your duties.
Yeah,
Okay, so
beauty.
thank you
very
so much for
giving
joining.
this opportunity.
Thank you, everyone. Yes. Okay, thank you, Vishwanath. Bye.
Thank you, Chintan Patel, for joining. Bye.
And don't